Good morning, dear children. This is Manik sir going to tell about the election campaign. The election campaign, which used to happen in democratic society in order to provide a better choice to the peoples, so that the peoples will choose better choice and the representatives they should go and they should form a better government here. So dear children, for that purpose we see here that free and fair election is very important here. And to have free and fair elections, the open discussions, the free choice, it is given to the people here. So mostly during the time of elections, we see the involvement of multi-political parties. We see the involvement of many political parties. They used to call for a public meeting. They used to call for a open discussions through medias, through televisions, through newspapers. So these are all the mediums which is going to be the mediums to propagate about their elections, about their candidates. So during the time of elections, all these mediums are happen so that they could propagate about their elections here. So during the time of elections campaigns, most of the prominent things which we notice is the candidates, what they do is they used to organize the meetings, they used to go and meet the voters, contact the voters, mobilize their supports, highlight the public issues, and they used to give better choice to the peoples that they are the right candidates, and they used to give promise to the peoples that if they are going to come into the elections, then they are going to do better policies for the nations, and they used to do many kind of convincing promises so that the voter will be having convinced and they will choose the right candidates here. So dear children, we have noticed that during the time of Lok Sabha elections, we have seen several kind of slogans which are made by the political parties. We understand that in the year 1971, when the Congress party was led by Indira Gandhi, during that time she made the slogan here, and that is Garibi Hatao. It means removing of poverty. Again, in the year 1977, we see that during the time of Lok Sabha elections, the slogans was made by Janata Party, and they made the slogans here that save democracy. Again, in the state of West Bengal, we see another slogans which are made by the Bengal Assembly elections, which was held in the year 1977, and the slogans was land to the tiller. And in the year 1983, we see the slogans which was made by N.T. Ramarao in Andhra Pradesh, the leader of the Telugu Desam party. He made the slogans that protect of the self-respect of Telugu peoples. So these are some of the slogans which are made during the time of elections in order to get the public support. So these are the main agenda which happens during the time of elections. Dear children, so the political leaders, they organize public campaign, they organize public meetings, they organize different kind of campaigns. Right now in Bihar, the state assembly elections which is going to happen, during that time the virtual conferencing video conferencing are happening. So we understand here that all these are elections campaign, and in elections campaigns the political leaders, the political parties, they used to highlight the issues here. They used to use different kind of mediums here, and if you must have noticed that during the time of elections, people they used to use money power, muscle power. They used to appeal in the name of caste, in the name of religions, then they used to use government resources while they are making the election campaign, and that is the reasons the elections campaign to be very fair and to be very free and fair, the election commission, he has been made the notice here. According to the notice of the election commission, we see here that the Lok Sabha elections expenditure must be 25 lakhs only. During the Lok Sabha elections, it should not be exceed 25 lakhs should not be exceed during the time of election campaign. So it is the notifications given by the election commissions to minimize the use of money, because mostly during the time of elections we understand that these peoples, they used to use the money power here. That is why during the time of Lok Sabha elections we can only use 25 lakhs, and in state legislative elections the expenses must be 10 lakh only. My dear children, apart from that, we understand that the government, they used to use the code of conduct. So dear children, just recently I was telling you about the terms and conditions during the time of elections campaigns. So according to the notifications of the election commissions, the candidates, they are not going to utilize the money powers, they cannot give and threaten the voters here, they cannot threaten the voters, they cannot do or they cannot make appeals on the basis of caste and religions. At the same time, they cannot use the government vehicles here. So apart from that, if they are utilizing more money during the time of elections, if it is exceeding above 25 lakhs in Lok Sabha elections, and in state assembly if it is exceeding 10 lakhs rupees, then even though they are elected, they will be cancelled according to the terms and conditions prepared by the elections commissions here. Then apart from that, dear children, we have noticed that the code of conduct has been announced by the election commissions during the time of elections, that they need to practice or they need to observe during the time of elections very strictly. If they are failed to do, then they are going to be punished, or they are going to be punished by the government here. So dear children, as we have seen here the code of conduct, and in the code of conduct during the time of election campaign, here the political parties, they need to remain under the control of this code of conduct. And in code of conduct during the time of elections, in order to make the propaganda in elections, they cannot use the worship place, they cannot use the government vehicles, they cannot use the aircrafts, they cannot use the officials for elections. At the same time, the ministers who are in power, they are not going to lay the foundation stones during the time of elections. At the same time, they cannot make any kind of promises, or in the name of providing public facilities, they cannot make such kind of promises to the people. If they are doing, then it is against the law. So dear children, here we understand that during the time of elections campaign, they need to remain under the control of code of conduct. The code of conduct is very, very important during the time of election campaign here. If they are doing, then it is the illegal activities, it is against the law. That is the reasons, my dear children, here the political parties, they used to remain and they used to avoid by the code of conduct which has been given by the election commissions. Thank you so much.